My name is Marianne Bertelsen and I'm a senior scientist at the Department of Food under Aarhus University. And I'm standing here in one of our experimental orchards where we have been trying to see if we can produce fruits without pesticides residues on them. And in apple production we do spray quite a bit because we have a very damaging disease that's called scab that will attack the fruits and cause black spots on the fruits, and therefore the fruits cannot be sold for direct consumption. And in this experiment, it's an L-star field, and that's one of the varieties that is very prone to getting scabs, a fruit variety that is hard to produce without spraying. But nevertheless, we've tried, and our strategy has been to spray in the first part of the season from bud burst until flowering, which is the primary scab season, where the scab disease will establish itself in the orchard. And we are trying to see if we can prevent it from establishing, and if we then can quit spraying while the fruits are growing on the trees. So that has been the strategy for 4 years, and in the first year we had a bit of a disaster because we missed one of the spraying in one of the primary infection periods, and therefore we got scab in the orchard, and that scab developed during the season, and in autumn we had about 20 to 30% of the fruits with scab, which of course is too much for the growers to live with. However, in the second year, despite that heavy load of scab from the previous season, we got away with getting any scab on the fruit. We timed all the sprays in the first part of the season optimal, so we didn't get scab established. And at the end of the season, at harvest and after harvest, when we evaluate the fruit, we found no scab on them. And in the third year, the result was just as good, no scab. And now this is the fourth season that we are trying this strategy, and the fruits also this year look very good, and we cannot find any scab out here at the moment. We will of course evaluate the fruits after they have been stored until January, February. We can say that over these 4 years we managed in average to save 8 to 9 sprays per season, but that we got 1 year with a disaster because we missed one of the infection period, and we also can see that we will get more rots in the fruit. So if we don't put any sprays on against rots, we will get an increase in rots. But against scab, we have had very, very promising and nice results.